15 ways to build a passive income stream. Hey guys, you want to make some money but you don't want to do any work for it? Passive income is pretty cool. Let me explain to you what it is first. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there. Also ring the bell, turn all bell notifications so you're notified each time I go live or I upload a video. Okay, in this video I want to walk you through 15 ways you can make money. I've done a lot of these. They actually work and they are passive income. But first let's talk about what passive income is. Passive income is essentially when you're making money for something and you're doing something else. I mean, that's pretty cool passive income. For example, let me give you an example. Let's say you sell t-shirts and you go to some festival or fair and you set up a booth and people come over and buy a shirt from you. That is active income. You're actively doing something to earn that money. But what if you put those shirts online and you sell them online while you're out earning money on your job, or you're out earning money doing a different thing, or you're out just having fun and those shirts are selling online? That is passive income. Now I will tell you, passive income is not passive in the beginning because you have to do some work. You have to set all this stuff up. But once you set it up, and I've done this, I've got plenty of websites, I've got different products, I've got all kinds of things I sell online. I make this passive income. I wake up every morning, I look at my phone and I see all the money I've made while I slept, which is pretty darn cool. Now the first thing you can do, number one, is create a blog. A blog takes some work. You've got to put time and effort into it. But the way a blog works is you blog or you talk or you have videos about a particular subject, and on a regular basis you upload to your website. Regular basis is very important. You can't just do 4 or 5 blogs and expect to make a living. That won't work. You got to constantly do this. But what you can do on your blog site is you can have ads that are running on your site, and when people click on them you make money. Or you can have links in your blog itself, and when people click on it, it goes to an affiliate seller and you make money for that affiliate sale. Blogs are very, very cool, but they do take time and you got to put forth effort. Everything takes effort, guys. If you don't have money to invest, then you're going to have to invest your time, and a blog's a great way to do it. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 is to create an online course. Now you have knowledge in some area. You may not think so, but you do. Start typing in courses for and typing in some of your interests that you know something about, and you're going to find some courses. People make courses about everything from cooking to baseball to making money online. Wait, that's what I do. Yes, I have courses on how to make money online. You can see some of those links below. But what you do is you make a course and you sell it, and as these courses sell, you could be doing something else. You could be out at the movies and your courses are selling. Creating a course is a great thing to do, and I will tell you, you got to have a good platform to do it. I highly recommend Kartra. I will have a link below. Kartra is an awesome all-in-one digital marketing platform, but you can also create courses in there, and they can be monthly courses, they can be one-time courses, you can change the courses, you can have all kinds of different things. But just look at the link below and watch the video. I think you're really going to like it. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is write a book. That's right, write a book. If you write a book, you can sell that book and make money, but you can also build your list. Now I've written several books and they're great calling cards. They're a way of establishing yourself as an expert. Now if you think writing a book is hard, it does take some time, but it's not that difficult. All you've got to do is write down 10 or 15 of your ideas about a particular subject and then start talking about those particular subjects. If you don't want to do it, you can always hire a ghostwriter to do it, but that's going to cost you some money. So I would recommend you do your own at first. They can be short books. People don't like to read long books for the most part. They don't want a 300 or 400 page book. They want something they can consume in 80 to 100 pages. So think about it. You could write a book pretty quick and start making some money. Number 4, create a product. A product can be a digital product or it can be a physical product. You could go to a site like Etsy and you could design some t-shirts and have them drop ship from a print-on-demand company, so you don't really have any inventory, and you can start selling those t-shirts. You can also come up with a digital product. I have a lot of digital products. A lot of them are courses or ways to do different things, email marketing, whatever it is. I take that subject matter and create a digital product. Digital products you can sell over and over again, and you don't have to keep any inventory. Number 5 is start a passive income physical business. Now what is that? I'll give you an example. It could be a laundromat. If you invest in laundry machines and rent for a building and all that, people go in there and they use those machines, and you could be off doing something else. Now keep in mind, if you're doing something like a laundromat, that is going to require a sizable investment. That could be anywhere from $100,000 to $300,000, but it does pay you on a daily basis through passive income. Let's look at number 6. And number 6 is become a silent partner. What's a silent partner? Well, some of you guys out there have some money, right? Yeah, those of you who have money can invest in a business and let your business partner do the physical work. You could invest in a hair salon, you could invest in a nail salon, you could invest in a restaurant and make an agreement that the owner of the business, your partner, actually does the physical work and you come up with the actual money. Now number 7, I actually kind of already mentioned this, but it is a business in itself, and that's design t-shirts and use a print-on-demand company. Did you know there's a lot of print-on-demand companies out there now that will do t-shirts for you? You don't have to have any inventory. You just come up with a design, you show that design on a t-shirt on your website, on social media, whatever. When people buy it, you actually pay for the t-shirt and they make it and ship it out. It's a pretty cool deal, but it doesn't stop there. It's not just t-shirts. You could do shower curtains, you could do wall hangings, you can do hats and mugs and caps, and it's just limitless. If you can design a few t-shirts, you can get started. Number 8, be a pet sitter. Now this isn't 100% passive because you're going to have to be at somebody's house, but think of it. While you're watching their dog, you could be watching TV, or you could be working on your business on your laptop. So it is kind of a passive income thing. You're just moving where you are. Every now and then you're going to have to take the dog for a walk and give it some attention, of course, and you should do that. However, that's probably something you like if you want to be a pet sitter. Number 9, I love this one. I love this one. This one is be a house sitter. Yeah, there's people out there that will pay you to live in their house. Crazy as it sounds, try Googling it and you'll see it. But what you do is maybe somebody has gone out of the country. Maybe somebody wants somebody to watch their property because they're worried about security. You can agree to stay at their house and be a house sitter, and they actually pay you to live in the house. Of course, you could do other work. You could be on your laptop. You could be running another business while you're living free in a house and getting paid. Number 10, invest in your retirement. Now what do I mean by this? Maybe you've got some money to invest but you're not sure where to put it. Hey, the stock market's a pretty good place to put it. Now right now the stock market's a little down, but sometimes it's way up, sometimes it's a little down. Bottom line is it has a pretty good increase over time, around 10%. If you put your money into stock market investments, do a little research on the companies, you could make a lot of money from that compounded interest. So check out doing some investments in stocks. Number 11, create YouTube videos. That's right, that's what I've done right here. I've created this YouTube video and I'm monetized on this channel, so they run ads on my channel, and when they run those ads I actually get paid. Now I had to go through the effort of creating the video, but I've got videos that I created 5-6 years ago that I'm still making money on, that I still get money from advertising on top of that. I have links below all my videos that are affiliate links, so people watch my video, they click a link and buy something, I make money on that too. Creating videos is an awesome thing. It's like having real estate out there, and the more you create, the more you make. Number 12, here's a sensible thing we don't ever think of: pay off debt or reduce your expenses. There are so many apps now that you can look at and figure out ways to reduce your expenses, and it's just like making money, you see, because a penny saved is a penny earned. If you pay off debt, also all that interest you're paying you no longer have to pay again. That's like passive income. Number 13, apply for credit cards that had rewards. Now during the world illness, which lasted a couple years, and I guess it's kind of still going on, I went out there and looked for credit cards that would pay me bonuses, and I used credit cards for a lot of my business expenses. I can spend $50, $100, $200,000 in a month on my business expenses, but what I would do is go out there and apply for different cards that would pay you, say, $500 once you charged $6,000 and paid it off. Well, that was a no-brainer for me because I had to buy supplies for my companies anyhow, and I would just use these cards and rotate them. I think at one point I had 19 or 20 different cards I was using and getting rewards on them, and then I have other cards that may not pay me cash, but they give me points, and those points I can use for other things. Check out some of those bonus credit cards out there. It's amazing how much passive income you can make, and you're going to spend the money anyhow. Why not give money back? Number 14, become an affiliate marketer. Becoming an affiliate marketer is awesome. Now I mentioned earlier in this video where if you click those links and buy that product, I actually receive money. Being an affiliate marketer is great. I also will promote other people's products every now and then, and I'll get money off that. All I have to do is send out an email, people buy the products based on my link, and I get paid. And the last one on my list, number 15, is become a freelancer. Maybe you're good at something. Maybe you're good at sales. Maybe you're good at building websites. Maybe you're good at SEO or writing. Go to one of these sites like freelancer.com, upwork.com, fiverr.com, type in whatever your interest is, and I bet you're going to find a way to make money there. People need to hire people from around the world, and they're using these sites at a really increased rate. It's unbelievable how many freelancers are making money from home or traveling around the world right now working as a freelancer. Now, I hope this video has helped you out. If you want some more help, I've got a course below. It's absolutely free. It's click and learn. All you have to do is click. No credit card required. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. Just hit that thumbs up. It matters so much. I will wait, and in the meantime I will show you this really cute bird. Now that was worth it, right? That was a cute bird, you've got to admit. Thank you so much for giving me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn that red button to gray, and don't forget to ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.